My name is Demetrius Washington. I am president of the National Black MBA Association, Dallas-Fort Worth chapter. We do programs that are focused on across various pillars. So we're committed to not just your professional development. We do a lot of programming around lifestyle and wellness. We focus on policy and advocacy. So how do we really advocate for our community, particularly in spaces of education and economic opportunity and housing, things that are really important to us. And so we are not just an organization focused on business, we are focused on the overall health and wealth of the broader Black community. For the last, I'll say 35 years since we were founded, the National Black MBA Association Dallas-Fort Worth chapter has really been committed to celebrating Black professionals, Black businesses, the overall Black community. And so this year it was important for us to sponsor because we really wanted to come together and have the opportunity to celebrate more broadly. And when we think about Best of Black Dallas, I have to think about National Black MBA DFW chapter.
Accessibility is at the heart of our mission. Here at Dallas College for the RN to BSN program, we have individuals who are already nurses. We wanted this program to be where those individuals could also work, but also come to school. And we know that nurses can be a charge nurse, they'll be in the clinic, they'll be in the hospital. Making it accessible for an online program is key. My name's Dr. Chakisha Davis. My role here at Dallas College is I oversee the RN to BSN program, which is the Registered Nurse to Bachelor of Science in Nursing program. And I am the dean here at Dallas College. I oversee a team of faculty, a chair, as well as senior success coaches for this program. For the nursing community here at Dallas College, we have partnered with American College of Education, ACE, a partnership and pathway not only for associate degree to master's degree. So our nursing students who come here can have that pathway from associate degree to bachelor's degree to master's of science in nursing degree. But as a working parent and those that are nurses, for any student that wants to come through our program, they have an option to come here and have accessibility for daycare. Students that can drop off their children while they tap into additional resources here at the college.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. John Carlo. I'm the CEO of Prism Health North Texas here in Dallas. We're a community health center that is addressing the lack of healthcare in our community. One of the things we do really, really well is primary medical care. And what that does is actually take care of chronic illnesses, things like diabetes, high blood pressure, cardiovascular disease, all these things that if you are in care and receive treatment, it's preventative and actually lowers your risk of hospitalization or more severe illness. So it's really a great investment in the community to have community health centers. We are a community health center that serves the community with very, very distinct services. First is good primary care. And one of the things that's great about our system is you get to see the same doctor or healthcare provider every time you come in. And so you're not just a number or you're not just coming in like an emergency room. You actually get to know the person that takes care of you. The second thing we also provide is dental care. And dental care is healthcare. It's so hard to find a good dentist in our community, and we know many people have difficulty affording even basic dental care. So this is another thing that we are happy to provide. And then the third thing is behavioral health. And we know that behavioral health is intertwined with physical health. And even today, it's exceptionally important to make sure all of us maintain our healthy mental health, and having good mental health providers in our community is absolutely essential.
Texas is the largest uninsured population in the United States of America. We have so much further to go that a lot of times people's expectations of what they can get access to, it falls short of what's actually possible. So now we've created something called Creatives Care Dallas, which is for any artist that is creating in Dallas County to be able to sign up for and get access to these benefits. What are the benefits? $65 a month brings you a primary care physician, 24/7 urgent care, 2,000 of the most commonly prescribed medications, 8 mental health therapy sessions, and then a range of discounts, dental, vision, medical procedures. All of that comes together to $65, no copay for all of those elements that I just mentioned. And it's not just for you, it would be for you and 4 additional slots. So a household, 5 people, $65 a month. People hear that, and the biggest challenge that I'm having to deal with is people say that sounds too good to be true. But it's only because we've been conditioned improperly. It's only because we have been taught that the dignity that we all deserve on just being able to take care of your health and your body is unreasonable. That's really the moonshot for Arete Health. We're trying to change beliefs about what people deserve. So what I need is for folks to spread the word. I need for folks to send their people, send their artists in their lives. I ain't even gonna tell you the website, just Google Creatives Care Dallas. Go click on it and enroll. And we are here to help, quite frankly, save lives.
Maker's Mark. Perfectly unreasonable. Let's all raise a glass to unreasonable, because without unreasonable, the most amazing things would never happen. Unreasonable doesn't care for words like good enough, or settle, or let's see what everyone else thinks. When unreasonable is told something can't be done, unreasonable says, hold my bourbon, and finds a way. At Maker's Mark, we've been called unreasonable many times over the years. Like when our founders burned their 170-year-old family recipe to create the first bourbon that doesn't burn. Or when we choose to put planet over profits to shape the future of bourbon in more sustainable ways. Or when we insist on hand-dipping every bottle in red wax, no matter how much our bean counters balk. Unreasonable is a badge of honor to us, just like it is to all the interesting people who choose our bourbon, because we're all a little unreasonable about the things we care about most.